before the match about how these two will line up. Let's see what the managers have gone with. The manager's playing a 4-5-1 formation today. The away side has gone for this lineup. So we're on. Which way will this game go? Lovely passing here. Striker's ball. Defender regains possession. And now they'll try and break. Now Walker. Sterling. Here's Dyer. Really well played. Quickly cleared the ball. Now Walker. Oh, determined challenge there. Suarez. Cahill with the tackle. This is Rashford. Well timed and good defending. Oh, well timed. Great skill from this player. Henderson. What a chance! Tries the header. Oh, he heads wide. Let's see that one again. And their first shot of the day is off target. Played short by the keeper. Well cut out. Well intercepted. Ali. Sterling. Ali. Cahill. This is Rashford. He loves to run with the ball. Well played. Got to admire skill like that. And this is Kane. Oh, that was a real chance. Let's see how close that one was to going in. Keeper plays it short there. Pepe. It's with the defender. There's the half-time whistle. It wasn't a... It's goalless, 0-0. Can anyone score in this second half? What a well-timed tackle. Oh, that's confident goalkeeping there. It's with the striker. And the team swap possession again. And he plays the ball back. Defender then back on the ball. This is Rashford. Oh, well timed. He's knocked it long. It's level and they're on the back foot and they need to get this one away. Oh, well taken by the goalkeeper. Keeper sends it long. Now Walker. Oh, he did really well there. Hoisted upfield now. Oh, and dispossessed there. Played wide. Shoots! Oh, the keeper's blocked that one. Let's take another look at that. They're waiting in the box, hoping for a good delivery. could be in trouble here. Chiellini gets it away. Captain on the ball. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. He tries something special. Goalkeeper's ball. Well taken. And it's with the captain. He's so skillful on the ball. He read that one absolutely perfectly. It's tight. Good call by the referee's assistant. The fourth official has indicated 3 minutes of stoppage time. That's full time. We're all square. On to extra time and possibly penalties. Let's see what difference the change makes. Manager is bringing 2 players on. Extra time then now underway. Let's see if the next 30 minutes. Dangerous tackle there. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then. Moving down the flanks here. And he's stayed onside. Di Maria, and that's out for a corner kick. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then. And this really takes the pressure off the defence. Well intercepted. Sends it forward. Played wide. Defenders are looking to the assistant, but the flag stays down. He must score. Shoots. Stones. Played in field. Oh, look at that showboating. Can he get a shot in? And there's the shot. What a finish. Oh, he'll be pleased with that effort. It'll do his confidence the world of good. And here's the build-up to that great goal. And the fourth official has indicated 2 minutes of stoppage time. And the crowd are well behind their team now they've got that goal. We're back under. Well, with the other team now in the lead, they'll be doing everything in their power to take this match into penalties. He dribbles the ball forward. Got to admire skill like that. Here's Dyer. Oh, determined challenge there. Cahill. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Striker's ball. Lewandowski.